Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me to this morning's webinar. Well, the Australian dollar is trading slightly softer overnight after yesterday's rejection from that 76.35. Now looks towards the support coming in now at 76.65. From there, I do see the minus support probably giving way and looking towards 75.0515 and reassess from there. Any advances on the day should fall towards 76.35 with firmer resistance seen above there at 76.6065. Now we do have at 11:30 the RBA monetary policy meeting minutes, which should highlight to the fact that the last week's lower employment rate at 5.5%. And may even comment on the monthly employment report, but other than that, unlikely to give too much away. Moving on to the euro, the market is weaker, and not surprisingly, after the overnight comments from the Fed, William Dudley, he ignited the rally and supported the US dollar from his hawkish comments. So as the US dollar gathers further ground, the market is now looking towards that 110.70 support. Reassess from there, as a break beneath there would bring in a target of 109.8595 or even down towards that 107 region. With the technical implications still supporting a bearish trade, any advances should find a cap now around 111.85 to 112.30. Well, dollar yen continues its strength overnight. As I mentioned earlier, mainly triggered by the President William Dudley from his hawkish comments. Now looks towards a target of 111.90 to 112.50 with support coming in now at 111.25 and firmer beneath there at 110.80. Reassess from there from 112.50, and as you can see the technical implications are rather on the bullish side, so we should find dips on the day to be shallow. Well, the pound overnight was weaker after rejecting that 128.1025 level and now looking towards the support of 126.80 with the target holding at 126.35. With the Brexit negotiations officially started, should see further weakness coming into the pound, and any advances now sees a cap from 127.80 to 128.1025, which was failing after last night. Well, the gold continues to remain weak as it crushes the support of 1248 and now exposes the target of 1230 to 36. Like silver, the market is oversold, and I am cautious. So for those that are trading from the bear side, should move their stop losses accordingly to the trader's preference. Now, with that being said, any advances on the day should find resistance from 49 to 56, but overall the pattern is likely to continue to remain weak. And wrapping up with oil, well, the market did slip lower underneath that $45 handle and now looking towards a target of 44.20 with the objective of 43.40. With any advances on the day still likely to be capped at $45.70.90. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful day ahead.